In this video, we're going to go over an overview of Davinci Resolve and how all the different sections work so that you can start editing your YouTube videos. We're going to show you how to create a new timeline inside of Davinci Resolve for your edit. And we're going to show you how to create a multi-cam sequence if you're doing a screen recording and a camera, or if you're shooting on multiple camera angles. Let's not waste another second and get right into it. So the first category that we arrive on here is the media category, and that's where we can import media into our edit. The second page is the cut page. Now the cut page is where you're going to start your edit, and it's a really quick and easy way to cut out all the mistakes, all the pauses, all the ums, ahs, and all the footage that you're not going to use within your edit. The cut page is streamlined to make this a quick and easy process so that you don't waste too much time scrolling through footage or having to spend hours and hours refining your footage to find the good stuff for your video. The third page is the edit page. Now this is where we can really get down to business in the edit. You can go into details and get into all the technicalities and bells and whistles that we can add into the edit in order to engage our audience and keep the video interesting so that we can increase our watch time. Next we have the fusion page. Now this is where you can add in really cool effects into your edit and get into a real technical side of Davinci Resolve. Then we have our color tab. Now this is where Davinci Resolve got its reputation from. It started out as a coloring platform before it became a full-on editing program. They have a super powerful in-depth way of editing color using nodes, and we'll get into that in the color section. Then we have Fairlight section, and the Fairlight section is for editing your voice and editing the music and audio within your edit. It's a great place to refine your audio because we know how important audio is in our video. A viewer is going to put up with a video that has bad video quality but good audio, but they're not going to put up with a video that has good quality video and not so good quality audio. Once we finish with our edit, we're then going to export it in the deliver page, and this is where you can choose all the right settings for your export in order to have the best quality output of your video from Davinci Resolve. And that's a quick brief overview of Davinci Resolve. If you have any questions, let us know down below in the comments and we'll be happy to help you out. If you're ready to get started editing in Davinci Resolve, let's jump into the next lesson.